Hello everyone. In previous videos we had done English grammar. Now in this video we are going to start English fragrance. Chapter first, If I Knew. This is the poem, and when we are starting the new chapter, that you know that we have to write the date first. So all of you have to write here at the top of the page date first, and then now I am going to start a poem. If I Knew. In this poem, the poet thinks that he could do many things if he knew where the smiles were kept. Smiles can create wonder. This is what the poet wants to convey through this poem. The poet strongly believes that he can definitely do many things if he knows where the smiles are kept. The poet requests the readers to have a smiling face rather than having a frowning face. If I knew a box where the smiles are kept, no matter how large the key or strong the bolt, I would try so hard. I would open, I know for me. The poet says that wherever the smiles are kept and its keys are however large is there or strong the balls are there, then also the poet will open that box for the smile. Wherever the smile is kept, the poet will try hard to open the box of smile. Then over the land and sea broadcast, I had scattered the smiles to play, that the children's face might hold them fast for many and many a day. And as the poet gets the smile, he will scatter the smiles to play, and who are playing, especially children are playing. So the poet, if he get the smile, so he will spread over children's face, might hold them fast for many and many a day. If I knew a box that was large enough to hold all the frowns I meet. Frowns means what? Frowns means a feeling or expression on our face that shows anger, serious or worried expression. I would gather them, everyone, from nursery, school and street, then folding and holding, I had packed them in and turned the monster key. Means if the poet get any frowns, he will keep it in the box and he will lock the box, and turn the monster key and hire a giant to drop the box to depths of the deep, deep sea, and he will throw the box in the deep, deep sea. So no frowns should be there on anybody's face, because poet wants to smile and smile only. So in this poem, the poet thinks that smiles can create wonder. This is what the poet wants to convey through this poem. So this is very short poem, and this is about smile. So this is the very short poem. You have to write the name whenever you are writing in the notebook, but right now you have to do exercise of this textbook only, and you have to remember the poet of the poem. So you have to remember the poet of the poem also. Now in the next page we have to do textbook exercise only, and you all have to try this exercise by yourself. I am sending answer with this video also, and afterward you check the answers. So you have to finish these 2 chapters exercise by yourself, and I am giving answer with this video also. So you have to check your answer. Thank you and have a nice day.